Hello, my name is Edward Jones. I'm about to show you the #1 best, real, legitimate, work from home based business in the world, the Aspire Network. I'm going to show you a demonstration that's going to absolutely blow you away. Let's get started. And my name is Edward Jones. This is my live, and it's called It's Your Health, Do Something. I've been in the health and nutrition now for about 30 years. And I am giving away all the information I've learned and gathered over the decades. I even had a website that I put up a couple of years ago. It's prosperitylounge.com. prosperitylounge.com. But tonight, what we're going to talk about is, I ran across some information, and it's definitely geared towards the women. So the ladies on here, I hope you're taking a good listen, because this is, when I heard it, and I'm a man, I'm like, I got to share this information with all the women I know as often as I can, because I'm into health and nutrition, and everybody that I can help, I'm going to help no matter what. So let's see. What I want to show you is, see, we got a couple of guys on here. You know what this is? Fellas, you might not know what this is, but this is a sanitary napkin. So yeah, that's what I'm going to talk about tonight, a sanitary napkin, okay? And this is one of the major brands that's supposed to be an 8 to 10 hour pad, okay? This is it's advertised as an all-day protection pad for a woman. And one of the things you might notice right off is the bulkiness of it, how thick it is. See how thick that is? Something else you may notice is it's open. Can you see that? You see that it's open. I can stick my fingers right inside of there. Now, what that means is when it's open and a woman puts this in a purse, all kind of things get down in here. Candy, lint, coins. So it's not clean. It's not pure anymore, is it? And the reason it has to stay open is when these major companies make this, the adhesive that they use on here is an industrial adhesive. It's the same kind of adhesive that you use to put your towel on your floor. And if they closed it up and this overheated, this would actually expand, the plastic expand and pop. So it's giving off those kind of fumes, chemical fumes, so it has to stay open. So that's part one, the chemical fumes. You know how I am about health and nutrition. It's giving off chemical fumes, and you're putting this on your most important part of your body, all right? Now, what I want to show you next is, let me zoom out a little bit here. All right, what I want to show you next is, let's get all this over out the way. Is what somebody told me about way back in January of this past year, okay? This company right here has come out with this sanitary napkin. Can you see how thin that is compared to this one? Look at that, look at that size difference. This is the major brand that women know about and use all the time, 8 to 10 hours. This is the major brand that the company Aspire Network came out called Cherish, that they came out with. Look, thinner. And also, it is not open. It is completely sealed. Okay? You won't be able to get your fingers in this or open it up until you're ready to use it, which means it does stay completely sanitary. So what I like to do is, I'm going to actually do a comparison. We're going to do a wet-dry test on these, okay? We're going to see if all the claims that have been made actually hold up, okay? First, we're going to open up the leading brand. And this leading brand is a 8 to 10 hour pad. I'm going to put this right here so you can see it. Then we're going to open up the Cherish brand by Aspire Network. And like I said, if you stay to the end, I got something for you. You're not going to hear about this or see this anyplace else. Going to put down the Cherish brand. And if you were here, one of the things I would tell you is to come up and feel the difference.